Hello students, welcome to my channel CNCR Science and Math Concept. Today we are doing question for JEE main. The question is from the topic of dual nature of radiation and matter. The question is, a 2 milliwatt laser operates at a wavelength of 500 nanometer. The number of photons that will be emitted per second is 2 into 10 the power 16, 1.5 into 10 the power 16, 5 into 10 the power 15, 1 into 10 the power 16. So first we see we are given power is equals to 2 into 10 the power minus 3 watt. Wavelength is equals to 500 nanometer means 10 the power minus 9 meter. Now we know that power is equals to number of photons emitted per second into energy. Therefore, number of photons is power upon energy, which is equals to power upon energy is hc by lambda. Therefore, n is equals to power is 2 into 10 the power minus 3. Wavelength is 500 into 10 the power minus 9. Divide by Planck's constant 6.63 into 10 the power minus 34. Speed of light 3 into 10 the power 8, which gives this 500 into 2, that is 1000, 10 the power minus 12. 6.63 into 3 is 19.83 into 10 the power minus 26. Now 19.83 can be considered to be nearly equals to 20 into 10 the power minus 14. Now this 0 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 50s are. So this is equals to, now this is not minus 14, this is plus 14. So now the number of photons emitted per second is 50 into 10 the power 14, or this is 5 into 10 the power 15. So now in option we see that option C is giving us 5 into 10 the power 15. Hence option C is the correct answer. Hope you must have understood how to solve this question. For more challenging question, subscribe my channel. Thank you.